Today I'm going to be showing how to use a soap making technique called the Clyde slide, which is one of my favorite techniques. Like usual, you start by carefully combining the lye water with your oils and mix to emulsion. After you add your colors and fragrance, you then want to let the soap thicken up enough that the colors won't bleed together, but will still give you enough time to pour. For the pour, I decided to pour my colors straight from the side, but keep in mind wherever you decide to pour from will change the resulting pattern when you pour it into the mold. For this technique, you just carefully layer each color on top of each other, and if it starts to thicken up too much, you can always give the bowl a gentle jostle to keep it more fluid. You just repeat the layers over and over again until you fill your bowl. This gets a little tedious, but I think the resulting pour is worth the effort. If I'm being honest, I was going for a tiger-eye gemstone look in this soap, but the colors I had at the time didn't quite live up to my expectation. I made this soap almost a year ago and I still have a couple bars left, so if anyone has any name suggestions, I'd love to hear them. The fragrance is called Energy from Brambleberry, and it's described as a bright and fresh scent with notes of grapefruit, lemon, lime, cucumber, jasmine, pineapple, blackberry, and champagne. It's a very light, gentle, fruity citrus type scent. And here's the finished bar.